guys are finding a bit of sunshine in your day so far. The lighting is super bad in the kitchen, but unfortunately we're just gonna have to roll with it today. I woke up this morning really wanting a Celsius to start my day, and we didn't have any at the apartment, so I walked to Publix. I just got home with my absolute favorite peach fives. Luna, hi! Maybe let's not mess with Mama's camera. Okay, thank you. It was so great because it got me moving in the sunshine for the start of my day, but it is so sticky in Central Florida today, and so I am already like, ugh, I need a shower. But I want to do a workout before I do my shower, so I'm gonna drink one of these, work on my to-do list, because we're gonna have a very productive day today. I have so much that I need to get done. Anyway, I'm gonna drink my Celsius, work on my to-do list. I'll see you guys after I'm done with this. Okay, so since I have so much I'm trying to get done today, I made my to-do list and then I prioritized it by like the order in which I needed to get them done, like from most important to like can be pushed off to tomorrow if I need to. Most of what I need to do is kind of like computer work type stuff, so I think I'm gonna go to a coffee shop after I finish working out and getting ready for the day here, and maybe go to like a coffee shop slash cafe and grab like a fun little bite to eat or something, because I finished the 75 hard over the weekend, and so I'm allowing myself to have treats like going out for lunch at like cute cafes that I didn't really do before because I was really trying to stay true. I'm planning on later this week actually filming a healthy day in my life after the 75 hard and talking about how like lifestyle transition, but that's for another video. Wesley and I are trying to take a summer vacation. We were originally supposed to go to LA to Disneyland, so we're pushing that back probably to the spring. But we still want to take a vacation because we haven't done so since our honeymoon last January. So we're looking at like the Rosemary seaside area. And I'm sorry, I know that the lighting is being kind of wonky right now. So I need to work on some planning for that and do some research. I've got some other errands when we're out. I want to go to HomeGoods. The stuff I want to do around here is like tidying the apartment, because we had a college friend in town this weekend, so the apartment's kind of a wreck. I really need to clean out my closet. So many things I need to get done. We're already a little bit into the day. Obviously, my little Publix detour this morning took like 30 extra minutes to go and get my Celsius, but I'm feeling so energized already. I already checked one thing off my to-do list sitting here, so I'm gonna do the other. I'm gonna work out, get dressed, get ready. I did go ahead and make some breakfast before I worked out because I know that my body needs some fuel. I just made a little piece of avocado toast, but how cute is this plate? It is from HomeGoods. I got it in the springtime and it's my favorite thing. It's so stinking cute. Showered and fresh and ready to go run my errands. I am gonna run my errands out first and do my work that I was gonna do out of the apartment, just because it's supposed to be a little bit rainy and dreary this evening, and so I don't want to be running my errands then. So we're gonna go ahead and yeah, let's go run those errands. Okay, I kind of had a weird thing happen. I ran one of my errands and then I was planning to go work at a coffee shop for a little bit and then go buy HomeGoods on my way home. Then it started getting bad weather and I really didn't want to get all my stuff out. So I was like, I'm gonna go to HomeGoods and then I'll just grab coffee. There's a coffee shop down the street from my apartment and a coffee shop underneath my apartment that just opened. And I don't know if my blood sugar dropped or if I went too hard at my workout this morning or if I didn't eat enough this morning, but I had like the weirdest sensation and I got nauseous and I was like, I need something to eat right now. And so luckily there was a Starbucks right by, and so I ran to Starbucks and I got a warm cheese Danish, which is such a treat. I haven't had one of these since I've been off of the 75 hard. And then I thought it would be a fun time too for me to share with you guys what my go-to Starbucks drink has been lately. This has been like my end of summer kind of transitional drink. I recently got into the matcha lattes, and so what I've been doing is adding sugar-free vanilla and oat milk to those, and I am loving this. It's so good. I did not think I was a fan of matcha, but once I started adding vanilla and oat milk, it tastes so yum. All of that to say, I made it to HomeGoods. I'm about to go. I'm on the hunt for a Mickey pumpkin mug. And I know people were like rope dropping HomeGoods today because of TikTok, so I'm hoping that they still have it here. But the biggest temptation is going to be not buying fall yet. Well, I might buy it anyway, but I'm going to try really hard not to buy fall yet. I really want to get through one more week of like summer before I start to transition to fall. I'm excited to go in and take a look around. I'm going to sip on my matcha a little bit more and then we'll go inside. So HomeGoods HomeGoods was not necessarily a success, but I didn't come out like with a ton of things, and I didn't come out wanting a ton of things because I realized I want to look at all of the pieces that I got last year and kind of look at what's in my fall decor collection first, and then I kind of want to mood board what I need to fill in the gaps from there. That way I'm not just going in blindly and spending a ton of money. But I did get 2 candles and a really cute sign that I'll show you guys when I get home. I have a few more errands I need to run. I'm going to drop off some stuff at the cleaners, and then I'm going to run into Publix and grab the things that we need to do our dinner. I think we're gonna do burrito bowls. They're super yummy and super healthy. I'm gonna run in and do those 2 things, and then we'll go home. Water. I think part of my issue earlier is that I'm really dehydrated. Since coming off the 75 hard, that's something I've not been really diligent about, is keep drinking my gallon of water. But I want to show you guys what I grabbed at HomeGoods real quick. So I think I may have shown like a little clip of these when I was in the store. But I got this little Florida Sunshine State, I guess like a print, kind of like a frame. I don't know, I thought it was super cute, kind of sleek, super cute in our apartment. And then I also grabbed 2 fall candles. I'm not going to Bath and Body Works yet because I know I'm going to go down a rabbit hole when I eventually go there, and I'm trying to hold off on that trip until a little bit further in, like maybe September-ish. And I think I still have some fall candles left over from last year. I'm not 100% sure, but I got this Let's Stay Home. It literally smells like a campfire, and it's got kind of like a piney smell, but it smells super good. And then I also grabbed apple picking, and it smells so good. This one to me smells like an apple orchard and very much like fall. So I'm gonna go put these away. I might start burning one of them for when Wesley gets home and see what he says, but I'm gonna go tidy. Yeah, so I'll just have a time lapse going of that. This is how the little sign turned out. I think it is so precious. It looks really, really cute with our little entryway. Okay, the apartment looks a billion times better, and honestly, it is such a way to go into the week. Super zen. I am gonna work on some computer work now. I have some emails I need to get to. Then I'm going to do some like trip planning stuff. I'll just put you guys on another time lapse as I'm going through emails and doing all that good stuff. Work. Someone came home from work.
Hey!
Here. He brought in a package. My mom mailed some stuff that I left in Memphis when she was helping my grandmother move out of she and my great grandmother's house. They came across the coolest thing, and I have to share this. Like back in the, I don't know how long ago it was, but they used to do at fast food restaurants these like campaigns when movies and stuff were coming out, and do these like glasses with prints on them. These were found wrapped in, look at this McDonald's wrapping. Isn't that so cool? Like that's a vintage bag. It says September 1999. That is wild, but look at these glasses. So they were from the year 2000. What the heck? I was like, Mom, can I please like borrow them? Like, can they come to our house on loan and then we'll send them back to you when you want them? And she was like, you can just have them. But it's so cool because it's got the 2000 here, and like I think the Disney 2000 was the perfect era because it was the 2 with the mouse ears. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's got Safari right there, and then Disney's Animal Kingdom. These are the absolute coolest. And then Safari Guide Mickey is so cute. This is such a fun surprise. I did not realize she was sending these when she mailed the rest of my stuff. I just can't get over this packaging. Yeah, no, they're exactly the same. So Wesley and I have these glasses, and I just think that's so cool. Wesley is working on burrito bowl. I'm about to go take care of our rice situation, but we have tomato, jalapeno, avocado, grilled chicken, so yum. And then over here we've got bell peppers, and then I'm about to work on spicing up the rice. These are so stinking colorful. They're so easy. I will be sure to include the recipe in the description. Wesley normally does the chicken, so what do you season it with?
I just like let it sit for a couple hours in some olive oil, lime juice, cumin, paprika, chili powder, some chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, pepper, you know, that's all simple stuff.
It's super good for you, super colorful, really filling, and one of our go-to meals. Wesley and I finished dinner and I was like, oh my goodness, like we're gonna get to go to bed early because we were so productive today. And then I don't know if you guys know what Boo Bash is. I'm assuming a lot of y'all probably do, but Disney does normally like an after hours event for Halloween. It's called Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And this year they're doing like a modified version, an after hours event called Boo Bash. And so a lot of people were live streaming it on YouTube, and Wesley and I haven't gotten tickets yet. We're trying to decide if it's gonna be worth it to go. And so I was watching that and planned to only tune in for like 30 minutes or so. And now it's 11:15. I think we got most everything checked off of the to-do list, with the exception of doing some online shopping and getting a place booked for our trip. But I think we officially decided where we're going. Once we get that officially done, I'll do like a pack with me and get ready with me to leave for that trip, and then I'll be vlogging the trip as well. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I hope that today wasn't too boring. I know we were just running errands and checking things off the to-do list, but I enjoyed spending the day with you guys and I hope y'all had fun too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what are some of the things that you like to do to stay productive. I know that for me, to-do lists are so important and they're literally what keeps me on track during the day. And then if we're not already friends on my other socials, I am the sunshiny on Instagram and on TikTok. I hope you guys have a sunshiny day and I'll see you guys in my next video.